Once each individual piece of a cart is finished going through the powder coating process, parts are taken down from our overhead conveyor system and prepared to be assembled. While drawers are grouped together on utility carts to await for handles and drawer slides to be affixed, cart cabinet pieces are lifted onto our rolling assembly line. After being lifted onto the assembly line, cabinets are then rolled down the line to be properly tightened and fastened together, while also being prepared for other key components to be installed. Key locks and basic push-button e-locks are then inserted into the cabinet. However, if a more advanced electronic lock is required, the cabinet is sent to a different area of our production facility for advanced lock installation. In the next stop on the assembly line, inner cabinet drawer slides are installed so drawers can easily slide and lock into place once inserted. With all the drawer slides properly affixed, cabinets then move on to the final stage of our rolling assembly line where casters and bumpers, if wanted, are mounted to the cabinet. Harloff carts come with two bumper options, protective gray corner bumpers or fully curved white plastic pontoon bumpers. Once casters and bumpers have been mounted to the bottom of a cabinet, drawers are then inserted to fully assemble the main body of the cart. Carts are then given a quality check in our designated QC area to ensure there are no loose or missing parts, while any requested accessories are also affixed to the cart in the QC area. Carts are then cleaned and wiped down to ensure there are no fingerprints or other visible marks left on the cart. Finally, carts are then wheeled over to our shipping area where they await to be packaged up and shipped out to conclude the assembly process.